Installation dash kit for double DIN radios. For 2013 to 2015 Nissan Altima vehicles. Accommodates ISO double DIN mount. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances. Made in USA. Double DIN dash kit for select 2013 to 2015 Nissan Altima vehicles. For over 70 years, Metra has maintained its cutting edge by paying attention to our marketplace and innovating products to fit the needs of the installer. We are the installer's choice because we are installers. We design our products to be easy to use and easy on the eyes. If you can see a Metra product, then we haven't done our job. Top reviews from the United States. Makes it look like factory. I paired this with a Boss aftermarket Android Auto-capable head unit, and the trim unit makes this look like it came from the factory. It is gloss black like the rest of the trim and worked so well. Tab was broken, but who cares, still works.